Hello friends, the Cybertruck, semi-truck, roadster and even an ATV indicate that Tesla is expanding its model range quite a bit, but there is one more open question. The when? This is the news of the automotive world on the Furious Tires. Let's get started. Tesla may be preparing to launch a new electric van in 2024 with the potential to be offered as both a commercial model as well as a more comfortable people mover variant. Planning documents published by a car industry analyst firm in the US claim production of a Tesla van may commence in January 2024 at the company's factory in Texas. If the information, which hasn't been confirmed by Tesla, is accurate, the new model will be built alongside the Cybertruck and could be based on the same platform as the upcoming car. In July 2022, Tesla CEO Elon Musk hinted at a highly configurable robovan for people and cargo, while his master plan at part due from 6 years ago also pointed to a people mover eventually joining the Tesla model range. In 2016, Musk also wrote on Twitter, "It probably makes sense to build a van of the pickup truck chassis." However, Elon has also indicated Tesla's next new model could be a smaller car, positioned as a cheaper model below the Model 3 and Model Y. The production plan shows the Cybertruck will enter production next year, with both it and the future van reportedly to be built to 2030. Most likely the Tesla robovan will have two modifications, a passenger minivan and a cargo van. Special hopes are placed on the latter versions because the demand for commercial electric cars is now quite high. They are actively bought by delivery services and small businesses. Electric commercial vans are expected to be increasingly adopted as last-mile delivery vehicles in the coming years. As many couriers distribute items to businesses and households within a certain area, it means their vehicles do not travel great distance despite being on the road all day, making electric vans ideal for the job. Tesla hasn't officially confirmed a van at this stage, but if the 2024 production start date is accurate, the robovan could be unveiled in 2023. Competitors of the Tesla robovan will be the new Volkswagen ID. Buzz and Mercedes-Benz EQV. The minivan will not be as powerful and long-range as the top-end Tesla Cybertruck, but it will probably have a range of at least 250 miles, like the basic version of the pickup. And before we continue, I ask you to subscribe to the channel if you want to be the first to know about all auto news. I'll be very pleased. Did you know that Toyota Camry is the best-selling passenger sedan in all of North America? And recently its direct competitor, the Honda Accord, has undergone a major overhaul. In response to this, the artist of the CarScoop's website imagined what the next Camry, codenamed XV80, might look like. Featuring the 3-gearbox design, this study draws on the Japanese automaker's recent concept debut, as well as the latest Prius and more crossover-oriented crown, to create an ultra-modern look that looks fast yet stands still. The visual impact starts at the front with slim, boomerang-shaped LED headlamps, a contrasting trapezoidal grille, and a very un-Camry-like curved hood. The large wheels are brought out to the corners to anchor the dynamic stance, while the slick slide surface has enough tension applied to the lower doors and shoulder line. Muscular size and a full-width cluster of LED taillights help define the rear, as do the tapering trunk lead, shaped rear quarter glass and lower diffuser panel flanked by quad exhaust pipes. The ninth generation global Camry is likely to be based on a modified version of the TNGA-K platform, which is used under the current car and several other Toyota and Lexus vehicles such as the Crown, RAV4 and Highlander. A larger infotainment display with improved graphics and Toyota's latest operating system will be installed. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the Hey Toyota voice function, connected navigation and over-the-air software updates. Other benefits will include a digital instrument cluster and smartphone remote car control system, which are likely to be heavily inspired by both the larger Crown and the new Prius. The production hybrid powertrains have been dominant for the Camry, and the electronically controlled 2.5-liter engine is likely to remain a mainstay as the mid-size car enters its ninth generation. The RAV4 Prime's plug-in hybrid setup develops 302 horsepower and has a range of up to 44 miles. In addition, it is speculated that it will use a new 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with two modes of operation, which will replace the 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine that was once the main engine of the lineup. The base 2.4-liter turbocharged unit develops about 265 horsepower, while the more powerful hybrid variant pumps out about 335 horsepower, sending power to all 4 wheels. Well guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video wasn't boring and you enjoyed during watching. I wish you a good mood and see you soon. Bye.